This is a Macau bat. Macau is a pure and beautiful bat. They are very huge in a size and they are very intelligent. His eyes look gorgeous. You can now check all more Macau videos. This is Red Factor Macau. Red Factor Macau is more important and more beautiful than others. They are attractive and they just look a lion. Now Macau has proof yourself. Macau are very gorgeous and Macaws are attacking birds. They are talking very well. Now look at his stance. Now look at his beauty. Now look at his fly. They are very rare in the world and they are very high prices. Some people can't afford this. Macau are very beautiful. Now look at this. His style, his eyes, his tongue, his stance. They are very gorgeous. Macau are very beautiful. They are very rare. They are very intelligent. They are very sharp. And they are very beautiful.